In this video, I'm going to be showing you the solution to Leetcode Problem 1431, Kids with the Greatest Number of Candies. This is listed as an easy problem. I'm not going to read the entire description here, but essentially you're given an array called Candies of n length, and you're given a variable extra candies. And what you need to do is take this extra candies variable and basically add it to every number inside of your candies array and see if you gave this variable and added it to this variable, which ones have the greatest number of candies. So if we take 3 and add it to 2, it equals 5. 5 would be the greatest number of candies because there can be multiple of 5 in the array. If we added 3 to 1, it would equal 4. It would not be the greatest number in the array. So you return a array of booleans specifying the index and whether or not it would equate to the greatest number after the addition is done. This is a very straightforward problem. There's more examples down here and you can see the constraints. All you have to do is find the greatest number in the array and then go through each one and add this variable to each index and see if it's greater than or equal to the max or greatest number in the array and set a Boolean array to be returned. So I've gone ahead and done this in Rust. It's going to look very similar in most other programming languages. We create a output vector with capacity that's going to be the length of the input of candies, because we know that the output is going to be an exact match in terms of its length to what the input was. We create a max mutable variable started at 0. We can start it at 0 because we know that the length of candies is going to be at least 1 or greater. We iterate through candies and we take I and check if it's greater than max, and if it's not, then set max to the new I. All this does is you go through the candies array once and you find the largest number in there. This would be 5 for this example. Then we iterate through candies again and we check our max versus I plus extra candies, and we push that Boolean value into our vec that we created at the top here. Once we're done, we output the result. Let's go ahead and run the sample test. And there you go, it passes the sample test. Let's go ahead and submit it. And there you go. So this is a perfect example of some very easy coding problems, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.